We're going to show you how easy it is to register and search in the new FactRight Report Center, where you can access, manage, and share your due diligence all in one place. Click on the Request Access link at factrightreportcenter.com. Fill out your information such as name, email, and create a password, and then select your business type. Your account will be submitted for review. Once approved, you'll receive a welcome email from FactRight and you'll be able to log in. The new look of the Report Center is user-friendly and easy to search. You can choose to search by type of report or sponsor name to find the report you're looking for. In addition, the new Report Center will be able to show you related content, like blogs and weekly updates, so you can keep diving into helpful diligence. Save reports, blogs, and other content by clicking Add to My Library. Once you're ready to reference this material later, use the Report Center drop-down to access My Library. You may also share content within the site with your colleagues with the touch of a button by clicking the Share feature. Once you share your content and add a personal message, it will notify them with a notification on the site and an email. If you have any questions about using FactRightReportCenter.com, reach out to us at 612-284-6150 or reportcenter@factright.com.